This is GREFEE and Maria. Welcome to my video. Right now I'm at our CNC factory to introduce this CNC machined product. The material used for this product is 6063 aluminum, which offers good strength and corrosion resistance, make it ideal for lightweight structural designs. As you can see, this product used as a frame component. Since it will be assembled later, we have strict dimensional requirements. After machining, we inspect the product according to the ISO 276-821 standard to ensure precision. Once the parts are completed, we perform sandblasting and anodizing to enhance the appearance and improve corrosion resistance. Alright, that's all for today's introduction. If you like our products, GREFEE is a comprehensive one-stop manufacturing company with over 200 CNC machining units. If you have similar products that need manufacturing, feel free to contact us. I'm Maria from GREFEE. See you next time. Bye.